Imagine if you could clone yourself in just a few minutes, copying your DNA perfectly, making an identical version of yourself. Sounds like sci fi, right? But guess what? Your body is doing something very similar right now. Hey everyone, welcome to BioScope. Today we are diving into mitosis, the incredible process that allows cells to divide, helping us grow, heal, and survive. Stick around because I have got some cool animations and fun analogies to make this super easy to understand. So, the first thing is, what is mitosis? Mitosis is how a single parent cell divides into two identical daughter cells, each with exact same DNA. Think of it like a photocopier making perfect copies of a cell. So, why mitosis is important? Because it helps to grow, repair and healing, and also in cell replacement. For growth, you can say that your body started as a single fertilized egg. Mitosis made you the person you are today. When you get a cut, your skin cells multiply through mitosis and helps in repair and healing. Your body replaces old cells all the time. Your skin sheds about 40,000 times per minute. Crazy, right? Let's discuss about the 5 phases of mitosis. Here you can get an analogy with the football cricket ground. Think of mitosis like a well-organized sports event at a stadium. The players at the chromosome go through a step-by-step process to get sorted, split, and placed into two separate teams, or we can say the new cells. Let's go through each stage. Here you can see the normal cell before mitosis, where inside the nucleus condensed chromosomes are present and outside the centriole, which plays a key role in the mitosis, is present. The first phase is the prophase. Nuclear membrane dissolves and spindle fiber forms. Imagine you are watching a movie, but before it starts, the lights dim and everyone gets to their seat. Similarly, inside the cell, the DNA condenses into visible chromosome, getting ready for action. The nuclear membrane dissolves like the movie theater dimming the lights. Spindle fiber starts to form like stage hands setting up for a performance, and everything is getting ready for a big event called the cell division. Next phase is the metaphase or the lineup stage. Now imagine a saucer team lining up at the center field before kickoff. Here the chromosomes move to the center of the cell, forming a straight line called the metaphase plate. The spindle fibers attached to the centromeres like players linking arms before the game starts. And now everything is set. Now we are about to split. The third stage is the anaphase. This is the most exciting part. The action begins. The spindle fibers pull apart the sister chromatids like a referee splitting up two teams and sending them to the opposite sides of the field. Each chromatid is now considered a separate chromosome. It's like a tug of war, with the chromosomes moving to the opposite side. The last phase is the telophase or rebuilding stage. We are almost done. This stage is like rebuilding two locker rooms after a game. Two new nuclear membranes form around the chromosome. The chromosomes start to uncoil, relaxing into their original form. The cell is preparing to split into two. Here is the main part, that is the cytokinesis or the final split. The cell membrane pinches in like a baker slicing dough in half. In animal cells, this forms a cleavage furrow, but in case of plants, a cell plate forms in the middle. Since plants have rigid cell walls, and boom, two identical daughter cells are born, ready to function just like their parents. Here is a quick recap for all the phases that happens in the mitosis. And now you will see an animated video that will help you to understand what exactly happened inside the cell. Here you can see the centrioles are separating, forming the spindle fibers, and nuclear membrane disappears and chromosome condense. and then they are staging into the center of the cell, and now you can see the chromosomes are separating, and again the nuclear envelope forms and cleavage farrow forms, and finally two cells are formed, and again the process repeats. So this is the mitosis, what exactly happened inside our cell. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more amazing videos on science contents. Comment below what's your favorite biology topic. Maybe I will cover it in my next video. Thank you for watching.